Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can access the ChatGPT Go Plan absolutely free for 12 months. And this plan gives you access to some really powerful features that makes ChatGPT way faster and more capable. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your favorite browser. I am using Chrome. Now type ChatGPT in the search bar and click on the first link that appears. So I will click here and that will take you to the official ChatGPT website. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, you can create one in second using your Google or Apple ID. Once you are in, you will see an option that says upgrade to Pro. But here is the fun part. We are going to upgrade for free. Click on upgrade to Go and here you will see the detail of the plan. At the end of this video, I will show you which are the countries which is eligible for this free Go plan. So first click here on upgrade to Go. So I will click here. It will take some time and you will reach the payment setup page. Don't worry, you won't be charged anything. I am choosing UPI as my payment method and as you can see, it still says 0 rupees for 12 months. So you just fill in your details. Then I will click here and then subscribe. After approving payment from your UPI app, you will see now my current plan is this Go plan. It is 0 rupees until November 5, 2026. Today is November 5 and next year 2026 I will start getting charged. So you can also remove the auto pay method from your UPI app. So let's see which are the available countries where this plan is available. So there are limited countries. So I will just click here and you will see here limited sets of countries. You can see here Afghanistan, Brazil, Bhutan, and here is India is here. Uh, Also Pakistan is also here. Poland, Norway, Nepal, all these countries. If you are from these countries, you can access this plan totally, completely free. And that's it. You will just unlock ChatGPT Go Plan for free for 12 months. Enjoy all the extra speed, tools, and features. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you were able to claim it too. I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching this video.